Hear me now, people. The police them say them see smoking inside here. Hold on. Just listen to hear me out, right? I told them nobody's smoking inside here. So I'm gonna let them prove that they are wrong by turning on the light and let them show me where the smoke is. In the meantime, all who have camera use no camera and take picture when the light turn on, so me have that for cargo coat. You understand? So we are turn on the light and make them see no smoking in here.
Yo, turn on the light because we're tired of this police brutality. We're tired of it. No smoking is going on in here. No weed, no cigarette, no beadies. Only thing that's going on in here is music. All who say music. What's wrong with y'all, man? Come on, man. Stop harassing us, man. Real talk. All we on is some music thing. Saying, ain't nobody in here smoking nothing. Not even a cigarette light in here. Anybody who want to smoke goes outside. We respect this venue. You understand? Sorry here, people, about the delay. With no further delay. Red out, I apologize. Stepcraft.
Not a worries and not a thing. Blacks, we love it. Me I gotta dash this one away and fling this one pan. You know who me I fling it pan, right? Listen.
So by the heart of distinction, I proudly present.
Me I fling this one, a free one. Me I give it to him. As them walk out, listen. As them walk out, listen. What me tell them?
No cigarette smoking in my...
Dash the blood clot away! Dash the blood clot away!